Hello guys, welcome back to a Pentesters Club. Today we are going to discuss about top 20 most popular hacking tools in 2023. So, as the end of the year, I would like to list some of the tools which are most popular in the 2023. So, the tools of this year encompass a diverse range of cybersecurity and discipline, including an AI enhanced penetration testing and advanced vulnerability management and stealth communication techniques, open source, general purpose vulnerability scanning, and much more. So, without going further details, we would like to go directly to the tutorial. So, the first tool is phone split. So, just I would like to show you. Just open the terminal. I just type here. So, I just type this CD 2023 best tools. Type list. So the first tool is PhoneSplite Pro. So you would like to look this, copy this, go to CD, PhoneSplite Pro, type list. So uh, you would like to know about a PhoneSplite Pro. So this PhoneSplite Pro does not need any installations and run directly through an Python 3. So it's an uh, Android hacking application. So all-in-one hacking tool for remotely exploit an Android devices using the ADB and Metasploit framework to get misinterpretation directly through here. So I would like to show you here. So I'm not going full in depth because no how it will take you much lengthy. Okay. So no map. So just type. So it will take a lengthy process of these things. So now we would like to go for another tool. It's called Gmail to a fully automated C2 server and communicates via Google SMTP to evade antivirus and protections and network traffic that will sniff. So just type Gmail. Just type cd Gmail C2 type list clear. So here, uh, if you want to run your server, you just need to manipulate in the client.python as in your IP address and port address. Also, you need to manipulate in the server.python your same IP address and port address, and you need to share to the this client file to your client so that you will get a connection to here. You can dump the data and do whatever you like. So this is one thing. So it is a fully undetectable C2 server that communicates via Google SMTP to evade antivirus protections and network traffic restrictions. Now we would like to look Faraday open source vulnerability management platform. So Faraday is available here. So you just need to come back here, reporting tools, Faraday. You just see. So you just enter your password and it will generate a username and password. So you just type here. Got it already. So it will generate a username and password. So I already made this one for some other tutorials, but it's got already. So if you want to look the username and password, so you just come back here, you just look here, copy, cat and paste it. No, here I didn't get it, the username and password. So you would like to generate a fresh, then you will get it the fresh one, guys. So now we would like to go for another tool. Another tool is Colaquester. So this I already made the thing, the tutorial. So you just come back, type list. So Colaquester, it's uncover the true IP address of the website and safeguard by Cloudflare. So if some websites is put for a Cloudflare, so you want to get the real targeted of IP address. So you will get it from here. Is this CD? Colaquester, copy and paste it. Type list. So you just install this one directly here. So you would like to see this one, Colaquester. So need to install and everything. So this one. So Colaquester is a powerful Python tool. It meticulously crafted and uncovered true IP address. Like if Yahoo is hosted with an Cloudflare IP address, so you not get the real IP address. So the Cloudflare will protect their IP address and range and everything. So that is accessible only for the systems. So this Colaquester will give you the real targeted of IP address of hosting of the Yahoo. So your targeted destination. So now just come back. So now we would like to discuss about next is Killer is a tool for create to evade antivirus and EDRs for security tools. So you just type CD, you just type Killer. So type list. So here is an shellcode zor.python. So you just copy this one, you type Python 3 and paste it. So this is an shellcode. So you just need to copy this one and paste it into like any type of targeted things. Like it's like a modules for stomping for memory scanning and evasion, DLL unhooking by fresh NTDL copy, IAT hiding and obfuscations of API unholding. It includes a sandbox evasion techniques and basic anti-debugging, fully obfuscated function keys and shellcode by XOR things. So you just copy these things and paste it in .txt file or .shell file, .elf file. Go to like antivirus or something else, a virus total. You upload these things, you get a zero detected the things. So once you executed this one into your Windows systems, that you are get the privilege escalation directly to your Linux system. So this is how this feature. So now we go for Zio Wi-Fi. So back, type list. So you would like to look now Zio Wi-Fi. So what is an Zio Wi-Fi? Zio Wi-Fi is such Wi-Fi geolocations by data of BSSID and SSID on different public databases. Like you are in USA, like you don't have Wi-Fi adapter. So this will work very easily for this. So I would like to show you here. GeoWiFi.python. So you would like to look here. So it will execute under the root. Okay, so you need to install the requirements and everything. So I'm just making only the small brief, that's it. So this tool as configured with the file like GW utils folder called like config.yml. So here have config.yml and everything. So like this will search a Wi-Fi geolocations and data by BSSIDs and SSIDs and different public databases. So now just come back. Now type list. So our targeted location tool is WAF bypass. So you would like to look WAF bypass. So what is this WAF bypass? So is check your WAF bypass before any hacker or a penetration testers. They would like to look uh, to attack your website. So you would like to look that is vulnerable for WAF of thing or not. So you would like to look here. So you just type Python 3 main.python. So you just need to present your host like host, and you just need to give your host like your targeted host. So that will display the data. Is it anything errors or something else? You get vulnerabilities here to get like HTTP fusing or something else. So this WFA bypass tool is an open source tool to analyze the securities of any WFA false positive and false negative using predefined and customizable payloads. So it checks your WAF before an attacker does. WAF bypass tool is to develop a NemCDR WAF team is a participation of community. So just close this. So we would like to go for another tool. So type list. So we would like to look now pentest GTP. So what is pentest GTP? So a GTP empowered by penetration testing tool. So people are know some people like warm GPT or etc GTP. So you go to open AI web and you get the access key and everything. You just define your terms and your words. So that will give you accordingly to the penetration testings like ChatGPT, ChatGPT 3 directly and everything. So Pentest GPT is a penetration testing tool. It empowers the ChatGPT. It is designed to automate the penetration testing process. It is built a opt of ChatGPT and operate in an interactive mode to guide a penetration tester in both overall progress and specify the operations. So Pentest GTP is able to solve easy to medium hack the box machines, try hack me, any type of targeted machines. Okay, this is a very useful tool for pentest GTPs. Like some people's they go and some beginners, but they don't know anything else, but they want to go and look some like try hack me, otherwise hack the box or something else. They don't want to give you the guidance. So you just solve and get it your things. Test your brain power, and brain IQ. Then you can solve. If you get, you are become as an a penetration tester. So that's their mindset, but this will help you to getting the right result for that. Okay. So as a sample pen testing process, pen test GDP is an target 1.5 machines. Also, it will be give hackable 2 is available at everything here in this. Now we would like to go come back. Let's type clear, type list. Go to Sirius. So what is a Sirius? Sirius is a first truly open source general purpose vulnerability scanner. So it will scan the vulnerability scanner. Sirius is the first truly open source general purpose of vulnerability scanner. The information of security community remains the best and most expedient source of cybersecurity intelligence. The community of itself regularly outperforms commercial vendors. It's a primarily advantage for serious scan intended for leverage. So you just need to install this one. Later we would like to go in depth. So type list. So our next targeted is LSMS. So what is LSMS? So LSMS is an Linux security and monitoring scripts. So these scripts are located in the directory of scripts here. So each script contains a short summary and header of the file with a description of what's supposed to do and dependencies that have to be installed, reference to where the idea of script stems from. Each script has configured in the script config. So you would like to see cd scripts, type list, script config, search. So here in the config list, you would like to look everything. And monitors also is available, lib. So the script lib is a directory contains a code that shared between the different scripts. Script using monitor, this is a prefix word and state here only the useful monitoring purpose. A single uses of from investigation will only result in showing the current state from a Linux system and not change might be a relevant to a system security. Now just come back. Now we would like to look clear list cd. We would like to look God potato. So what is a God potato? God potato is a local privilege escalation tool from a Windows service accounts to a net authority system. So potato privilege escalation is usually used when an obtain web database privileges when we can evaluate a service user with a low privilege with a net authority system. Privileges. However, the historical potatoes has no way to run the latest Windows system. When I was researching the decom, I found this new method, so I was listed here. So now you'd like to look another. If you want to look type list, this is all for Windows. Back type list. Now we would like to look bypass 403. So what is bypass a 403? It is a simple script just made for self-use for bypassing a 403. So just type list, type bash bypass 403.sh. So you can look, so it's bypassing a 403 or everything, the commands. So it bypass like 403, like admin bypass or path of your targeted website, so it will bypass everything. Okay, so now just type list. Now come back. So now you would like to look cd thundercloud. So what is a thundercloud? So is a cloud exploit framework. So these are work only for AWS, Amazon, and that's it. So we would like to look Python 3.python. So it will work only for AWS, Amazon. Like some people's other people they stored in the AWS, Amazon. So you need to go to the AWS, Amazon, and you just verify with $1 credit or something else, and you just need to get the secret key and access key and region and account ID and everything. You just need to input here, and you can search anything else regarding XYZ. It will display the full details here. So This is called a thundercloud. Now, next we go to type cd GPT vulnerable analysis. GPT vulnerable analyzer. So, what is this can be done? So, it uses a ChatGPT API and Python Nmap module to use the GTP3 module to create a vulnerability report based on the Nmap scan and data. So this is a proof of concept of applications that demonstrate how AI can be used to generate an accurate result of vulnerability analysis and also a further utilization of the already super useful GTP. So you need to go to Open Web AI. You need to input your access key here. Then you can use this ChatGPT vulnerable analyzer. Now we go for Kscan. Kscan is a simple assets mapping tool. So you need to install this one. So it will scan. This tool is only for Kscan is an assets mapping tool that can perform port scanning, TCP fingerprinting, and banner capturing on specified assets and obtain much port information as possible without sending more packets. It can perform automatic brute force cracking on scan results and the first open source RDP and brute force and many other things. So it works similar like Genesis or Showdown application. So come back, I'll just type list. So now we would like to look red team physical tools. So in this, you would like to only read these things and go to the full list here. So red team toolkit, it's an accurate list of tools that are commonly used in the field of physical security red teaming and practical covert entry. So you can see here recognizes body worn action camera, BA camera, drone with camera, drone. So it was present in multiple things here. You would like to go through the everything. You just need to read. So next tool we would like to use like CD DNS watch. So a DNS traffic sniffer analyzer. So DNS watch is a Python based tool that allows you to sniff and analyze the DNS domain name system traffic on your network. It listens a DNS request and responds with a provider insight who is in the DNS activity. So you'd like to look. So you just need to set up this one properly here. So it will sniff and analyze the DNS request from request and response. It displays the DNS request and their corresponding source and destination IP address. Optional verbose mode for detailed packet inception. Save the results to be a specified output file. It filters the DNS traffic by specifying the target IP address. Save the DNS request on database for further analysis option. It analyzes the DNS types of optionals and support for DNS and HTTPS, DOH and everything. So now just come back. So you just type list. So now we would like to go for IPGO. So what is this IPGO can we do? This is a tool for extract the IP address from captured network traffic file. So you just type list. You just type execute this one directly, ip geo.python. So you need to install a PyShark. So it will give accurate information, like you have your targeted IP address. So the targeted IP address will give you right uh, longitude and longitude of the location. So enter the pcap file. I don't have any pcap file right now here to get you. So it will give you on the result like country, country code, region, region name, city, zip code, latitude, longitude, time zone, ISP, organization, and IP address. That's it. Now we would like to go, the list is so Telegram rat. So Telegram rat is a cross-platform Telegram-based rat that communicates via Telegram to evade a network restrictions. Like you just need to go to the Telegram bot, Telegram. You just need to create an account if you know how. Then go to a bot further and you just create a one sample bot, and you just get the access a token key and API key, and you just type Python 3 here, type client.python. It will ask you uh, everything like uh, both father API key, token access keys, and everything. So you just input and you just spread this one. That's it. So this is how it will work. Telegram bot, Telegram rat. Now we would like to look. The last tool is type cd, type this cd access exploitation tool. So as an access exploitation tool, access exploitation tool is an penetration testing tool that focuses on the exploit of cross-scripting vulnerabilities. So what are the features we can get it in this? So you need to host this one in the like any type of the web servers, like you just host with a Docker or something else. It's better. So it's just like a technical data about a victim browser and geolocation of the victim, snapshot of the hook visit page, source code of the hosted visited page, exfiltrate the input and field data, exfiltrate cookies, key logging, display alert box, and redirect users. So you just need to host this one in Docker or something else, like in your local host machines or something else, so that will be work. So if your IP address is very strong and unique, so if you are not connected with the same targeted of IP address or same Wi-Fi region, with your friend can ping your IP address also, that will work for exploitation of XSS also this one. So these are the best 2023 tools which I was listed all here. So try it your own guys. Thank you guys for watching. Have a great day.